How to fix AppModel-Runtime event ID 69 on Windows. 1. Run the reset command. 2. Run Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter. 3. Reinstall the app that gave you this error. Hints: 1. In the example above, it was the Windows Photos app. 2. Run get apps package microsoft.windows.photos. Remove apps package command in PowerShell as admin. 4. Check for missing dependencies. 4.1 Enter C:\program files /Windows apps folder. 4.2 Run these commands. PowerShell, as admin, get apps package Microsoft.Windows Calculator Microsoft.Windows Calculator _10.15 10.13 neutral split.scale 100 8 week high 3d 8 bbwi. C:\program files /Windows apps Microsoft.Windows Calculator _10.15 10.13 x64 8 week high 3d 8 bbwi. Remove apps package Microsoft.Windows Calculator _10.15 10.13 x64 8 week high 3d 8 bbwi. 4.3 Re-download the problematic app from the Microsoft Store.